Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people. I greet you now. How now dey? Also now do now dey enjoy yourself. I just say me I just get little thing where I want to tell you now. My people, I greet you now. Each of every one, you are welcome to my platform. I agree to now. Well, say now. Thank you. Get wetin I want talk, Before I start on the talk wetin I want talk, may I first talk about some people where they comment when you just come somebody platform. Wetin the person they talk, you no like am, you no go comot, you go dey insult that person. Please, if you dey for my platform anytime wey I take do audio, you insult me, just make sure say you are blocked. Na be my own. Una know, many people don't know that one. Like me, I no dey go another person platform go dey insult am, or maybe e do something and I'm the wetin dey talk, me I no like am, no be wetin I like, I will comot. I no tell am say shut up, you fool, go look for work, enter house. I no dey do am, because person wey dey mature, wey break correct, e no dey do all those things. Now even baby, small children, they no dey do am sef. You go say, wetin concern me? For me to insult, I comot for there. But some people, na their own, they will just dey insult you. So wetin I wan talk, wetin make me dey talk am so? Many people wey dey for this my platform, they never know. Some don't know. Anytime where I do audio, you insult me because me and you will not be mates. I fit senior you, you fit senior me. I no know. But no be say because I do audio, you no like wetin I talk, not be the same opinion me and you get, then you come dey insult me. I no dey take am from anybody, even though say be my brother. I go block you because I no need those people for them. No dey go platform to platform because you want listen or you want watch, you go dey insult person. Really, if you know say you no like wetin person dey talk, no dey follow am, no dey listen at all. Or maybe you listen, you just still comot for there, you fit say abeg, this one wey wetin dey talk, e no make sense. For your own, e no make sense. But no be say you go dey insult am. So insult, if I just see am, I dey block am. I know sometimes I no dey reply the person. Sometimes I go reply you, I will block you because I no dey open for anybody. I no dey open am because you wey don first insult me, if I still do another thing tomorrow, you go still come insult me. So no need. Even though say you open another platform, you use that, I go dey block am dey go. So now that one na for that. So some people, me, I don't know wetin dey do them. And never no go happen for my life say I will go person platform, go dey insult am. I no do am. I mean baby. Even though say even baby, they no dey do am. They will say, why I wan go insult that person? Just because of say they talk, you no like wetin they talk, you come out for there. But our people, they know. They must insult you. So my brothers and sisters, just me, I just do this thing because I want to talk about wetin make me want talk about I want to talk about our those states. So wetin dey go on, that make me say me I talk this one. So if you come here, say may you come insult me, say madam go look for work, madam go do this one, madam go do the other one, madam enter house. Now so I go dey block your head, they go. I no get time for anybody. I no dey take am because my life dey different, your own dey different. I will never come to your platform to come and insult you there. I no do am. They never born me rich like that. I dey respect myself. If I see say wetin dey talk, I no like am, go comot for there. No be say na by force say I go stay there, I go listen. When I listen finish, I come dey insult you. No, I no dey do am. So my brothers and sisters, wetin I wan just talk about because yesterday I dey watch a video. I come see this video about Obaseki, this Testament road and other road wey dem dey do, which I appreciate. I love it. But wetin me I dey talk, my own, this na my opinion. Everybody get your opinion. Why e be say any governor wey come, na so road na dem dey repair, na so road na dem dey do. It's my opinion. No be say I no like wetin Obaseki dey do. If you ask me now, say you want me Obaseki come for another 4 years, I will tell you, say for me I no get voice to say yes or no, because I no dey on ground. Na people wey dey on ground, wey dey see wetin e dey do, na im go talk that one. For me, I no be a friend, I no be enemy. As far as say na my Benin, na my Edo State brother, na my Benin brother, why I no go finish his job? If dem say make na who be me wey go come tell am say make e no come? You understand? But why e be say na so road, any governor wey e come, na so road na dem dey do, meaning they are not doing it well. I pray this one wey Obaseki dey do so, because I see the video, I dey very interested. I just enter, I watch all the video, and I like wetin e dey do. But my own, na me dey talk. How many years this thing go last? When e go, how many? Because you know say when Oshiomhole come, na road na dey do, na so road na dey do. I know say e still do wetin dem dey call this hospital wey dem never open. I know say that one still dey there. But all this coming, any governor wey come, na road, then we go say dem dey work, dem dey work. For me, they are not doing a good job for that road wey dem dey do, because normally many people dey here wey dey abroad, wey don comot for Nigeria, because we dey see road wey dem dey do for years. Sometimes road wey dem do for 20 years, they never touch am. Sometimes road dey wey dem don do for 50 years. Na only maybe that road wey dem don do for 50 years, know say when e go pass time now, you go come dey something go come be like say dey spoil. Dem come dey adjust am small. Those area wey don dey spoil small. But our own no be like that. Only one rain wey go just fall, everything go just remove. Why? Because we get many things to do. All this money every 4 years, every 8 years, when they say they do road, why they not do the road well? If they not sabi do, I mean they find people wey know how to dey do strong road, strong one, because normally rain dey fall well for our, if they fall well for our country. So they find people wey go, even though say you spend double money, but you know say that road you do am well, now till 50 years that road go still dey there. No be all this one dem dey do every 8 years. Now so Oshiomhole still do. Now road. All the old road wey Oshiomhole do now, everything bafuka. Everything comot, be like say they no even reach there. All those money throw away, be like money wey they carry when they go throw away for inside river. I just pray, I dey pray for this one wey Obaseki dey do so. Maybe say na strong one, whether na people wey they give money or na im no dey do am well. Me, I no can understand, because all these things, e no good, because we get money. Our money, whether they no dey do am well, so make they find people wey sabi do am. You know say it's like a person wey still dey sew cloth now. I mean they see Norway Gwesegbe, you know, you see the one wey know how to do that job better than another one, because you know, if you say na you perfect pass, you still see another person wey still know more better than you. Because all these things, I just see and they watch the video, I they like the video, but I can't sit down when they talk and say this road wey they do now, it go last. That be my whole question. It go last, because now money they spend for there. Now money na pass there. Why be say that they do road, you know, they last for our country? Because maybe those people when they go say, "Mona do like this," all of them big guy. They will come on. No, may we put small sand, may we put this one. No, be the same road wey they do for abroad, na they do for our country. Because if not the same road, they not they do road every 8 years, every 4 years. How it go be say road wey they do for this year now, rain go just for next year, that road it go just comot everything. There is something wrong there. So I just talk about this one, because normally all this money when they throw away every 8 years, every 4 years when they throw away, because we get many things to do for that country. Many things there, like light wey not dey light wey not dey country. Which that one not be country now. When you say you want go country, you go the country, no light. What you go find for them? Where Babiala, no light. Like about a week ago, where I call my people for house. Phone not go. Now come they say, what can they happen? 2 phone not they work. Call the other one, phone not there. The next day, now call try again. They say, now 6 days now they not get light. What a shame. We need that. We need light for our country. Not be so road. Because if they not sabi maintain the road, they not sabi do the road. Make the fair bring lights come. Make the fair bring lights come. Maybe they will find people where go come do the road. Where I know say road they important. I not say not they important, but we still need light. Road and road light with hospital. We need that all these things because country where you go say you not get light. Me, I don't go Brazil. When I go Brazil, I open my say, so this one na Brazil. I not be Brazil with this. So even Argentina say I don't still go. When I go there, light there. It not be like our Nigeria where light not there. We will see light today. Maybe 6 days time, then they will bring and come again. Maybe another all these things. Because I don't know as I'll take talk. I just see what Obaseki they do. The thing they sweet me, I they like can. But I can't ask myself, say, all these things when they do now, then go last. I'm not saying Obaseki not be the cost too. But people whether they give those money to do because not be saying now Obaseki they stand for them, they do it. Now people when they give money to they do it, they need to control them. They need to check to see really if they really they do it, they see me they take do it. Because me I know they blame say this governor you be with bad head or you not do because not being they do that thing by itself. Now people in they give. Now people in they give. But those people when they give, they need to be controlled up and down. When they say if I give you 1 million, if I give you 10 million, if I give you 20 million, I say me tell do this thing. Make sure say now you really take do and not be say they'll go they share into 3. When they'll share into 3, they'll say maybe we buy small thing, maybe we put on there, maybe they just say we do it. Now those people now be the bad people, not be the governor. Not be the governor because me I know come here come say governor you not good, you not do this one. Me I know whether governor wait the money will bring come and they really spend that for there as say me they take do one. Now be the problem. I think just they do that Kesai road and other road now. I they see everything, they sweet me. But those people when they give money when they take do one, they will do one like that. It still they happen for abroad like that too. Not be saying no they happen. When they will say they do something, they will share money. It's just that this one where they happen for abroad, they must hold you. You must go prison for you can't answer query. But our country, nobody they go hold, they not go even answer you. They will say they do and they know the thing get as they do like this, do like that. They'll come up for them. But for abroad, though, you can't answer because then they arrest them. Even though say you be lawyer, even though say you be judge, you can't answer question. But for our whole country, who go ask you question? Who go ask you question? That be the problem. So my brothers and sisters, I just say me I just talk this thing because as I see the work, the thing many people don't see the thing I like the job, but those people they will really spend all the money they do the road when maybe 10 years 20 years time that road still there. That be my whole question because from June July now rain go start to dey fall. Abi when rain go just start to dey fall, everything go just take bafuka. The money where they spend that one just stay throw away for them. Because all this one na to throw away money, na me I call them. Because how you they do something every 8 years, every 4 years. Those money where they throw away, why you not just do and well? So I pray say me Obaseki, maybe say na people when give money, then be that says person wey dey serious, wey wan really wey love the country, wey love the state. Now he give money, make them do and well. Because I love the job wey just they do now. I no fit talk say you know they do anything because me I no dey on ground. People wey dey on ground now they see wetin they do, but we still dey see am for social media. But my own, I know say Obaseki, you know they work. But those people now those people now we go the course because if they give you money, make they do something. You they receive your own salary. Why you that one when they tell me to do something, you not go do and well. Do as they tell you. Buy the quality material when you want to do that thing. May you make sure say that road they go there for 20 years, not till they happen. And then they'll come fight for lights because we need them. We need them. We not get lights. Even Ghana, they laugh for say we not get lights. Now shameful thing, we not get light, we not get flight. If you go see am for the whole Africa, now we Nigeria, now many pass where they travel because when they travel when they go, when they stay for abroad, but we not get flight. We not get one flight. Person still say okay, we get one. You know day when you reach airport, no light. it will what you I go bless you. No, but many things there to be repair for that country. Many well. A airport where you enter, you know see light not there. Huh? You just know say that country na still back na dem dey because wetin dem dey do one thing dem dey do 100 times, only one thing dem dey do 100 times. Instead make dem do am maybe quality, maybe say that one thing dem do am once before dem go do am again go be another 50 years. No, dem go dey do am one times. Na make our country still dey back. Na make am because they no dey comot that thing. They go want they no dey spend money. Those people wey dem dey give dem dey spend money to do it well. They no dey do am well. Agba wa gbese yen wa vai. Make you carry this one, make I carry this one, make we do as we like, not me. So far we do am. Na dem dey do. Na make am na cause all these things. Say dem dey do one thing na dem dey do every 8 years wey governor come. Na only one thing dey do. Road because those roads they no dey do am well. I no blame governor wey dey do am. Those people wey government dey give money, na dem suppose to dey ask question. If dem get house, dem go seize their house. If dem get money, dem go seize am. Na so dem dey do am for abroad for here. If you fuck up, say wetin dem say make you do, you no do am. If you get something, dem go seize am put. Dem go seize am put because dem dey pay you every month. No look that thing. Do wetin dem say make you do well. You will do am well. No be say they will send you say make you do something of 10 million. You go spend 4 million put. The rest you go put am for inside your pocket. You go buy wetin no dey quality, wetin you go just destroy before a year. Na dem dey do. So my brothers and sisters, just say me I just breathe this thing out. Say me I just still talk and say make dem still dey do other things. No be only road because they no dey do am strong. Na cause am. I said that they do am strong. Like this road now, where Obaseki they do now. Show me they don't fair do all these things now. They don't fair do am. But it's not strong. Huh? Because road what they do for 8 years for abroad, if you still see am, you go just the things say now today they do am. Eh? So my brothers and sisters, just a little one, just say me I just drop because I see the job, I like am. So but I just say this thing it go see it go last. Eh? It go last. So now it be just a little one. So my brothers and sisters, just say me I just rush to this one from Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed, one love. Please, if you like this audio, may you just put like. If you don't still like am, do as you like, but don't put bad comment. Not do one. If you do one, I will block you. That be my own. Many people don't know that one, so many not still know. So I agree to now. So from